Okay.
Thing is not to put normal wire in there, like your number 8 wire. You definitely shouldn't do that.
Either a minor variation or an amendment to the consent. I'm no Boy Scout, right? So the idea of tying knots and trying to do this with rope doesn't really appeal to me at all. I'm a bit old-fashioned. I would go solvent-borne. They've got to have the license or the person there to prove that they are the person who's going to issue a record of work. You could see the condensation streaming down the inside of the windows.
Yeah, no one likes crying windows.
I've come to Tile Space to check out their new free 3D design space tool. This is the J-frame LVL for all of the framing, the new lintels in. So the trick is roll in one direction, flip your roller over, come back. That will give you a much smoother finish. Okay.